Hello, my friend, Mitch Asser here. Welcome back to Mitch Asser Marketing. And today I'm talking about the truth about GrooveFunnels. Now, I've created a bunch of videos already, which you can check out on my YouTube channel, and they'll be linked down below, where I go through and give full tutorials of GrooveFunnels, GroovePages, GrooveSell, the advanced features of GrooveSell. And today I'm going to talk a little bit more about the advanced features of GrooveFunnels. Plus, I'm also going to be giving you hot off the press news. Literally 5 hours ago was the update of all of the questions that have been asked over the last few weeks about GrooveFunnels and when the next versions are coming out. So literally 5 hours before, since creating that post, I'm creating this video for you, and it should be out within a day or two to actually get you that information. But first, let's just dive into the dashboard itself. And this video is not actually about a tutorial, a GrooveFunnels tutorial. It's more about just to give you a high level overview of everything that is included within GrooveFunnels, because after spending 5+ years on building businesses online, I've built two online businesses to 6 figures. I sold one of them to a company in the USA. I've built dozens and dozens of funnels over the years, many of those funnels generating hundreds of thousands of dollars and millions of dollars through those particular funnels. I spent over $1 million on Facebook ads. So I've pretty much seen and done it all when it comes to online marketing. And for years, I've been looking for an all-in-one marketing solution, and none of them have really hit the mark. They've either been a little bit too clunky and they just don't really work together, or they've just been poorly designed, and the sites that you actually create on those particular softwares are just they're not world class. And everything that I do, I want to make sure it's done world class. And then finally, I've just been too nervous to use them because they didn't have enough momentum behind them. And if you put all of your eggs into one basket and they go bankrupt, for example, and they need shut down, then it's quite annoying to move all of your sites away from that, right? So GrooveFunnels is something that's really stood out to me, and for a number of reasons. First of all, I guess the user friendliness, so the user experience of the entire platforms to date is incredible. I used ClickFunnels for about 1.5 years, and that was about 3 years into when ClickFunnels had actually been operating, and their platform was super buggy. Even to this day, before they've officially launched, GroovePages is at least par to ClickFunnels, if not better in many cases. If you check out some of my previous videos, there's about 3 things that I've identified so far that are not ideal with GroovePages, but I believe that one of them got fixed literally yesterday on the 10th of July. But a couple of those fixes are to come yet, and you can check out that video later. But besides that, everything works together pretty amazingly, right? And before I dive into the background or the back office overview, let me just dive into today's announcement that came from Mike Filsaime. So Mike is the founder, or one of the founders of GrooveFunnels. He's also founded EverWebinar and Kartra, so pretty amazing backstory and background to what he has actually done in the past. Great track record, which means there's some level of trust already in this already just with him being involved, because he's got nothing to prove, right? He's already proved it in other softwares, and I think this one for him is just to show how he can make things even better for a much better price. And if you do want to check it out, I'm not going to talk about it in this video, but link down below, I've got over $37,000 worth of bonuses if you do buy GrooveFunnels through my link. Just go ahead and check that out. They're probably the best out there. If they're not, then let me know how I can make them better. But we're already over delivering to, I think we're up to 14 members who have purchased that through that link already, and they're absolutely loving it. So today's update is they've hired 18 new developers. So this company is really skyrocketing. They're making millions and millions of dollars a month at the moment because of their lifetime deal is so amazing. So they're hiring and growing very, very quickly, which means they've got a lot of major rollouts coming. So coming in the next 10 days, over a 30-day, coming in 10 days time, over 30 days, will be Groove Video, Groove Member, and Groove Mail. So Groove Video is your video hosting and gives you full control over what your your videos show to people and the control of the controls of the video, so that you can start to customize your site and your videos that are going out to the public. This is important if you've got like a long form sales page, which was one of the funnels that we've already created for our members, and you want to make sure that people watch all of the video itself before they actually see the offer, or like an evergreen webinar, and on-demand type online training where you want to make sure people are watching the entire video, and then you can have it like a button that appears at a certain time. And having control over your video means they can't skip right through to the end without watching all of the content, right? So things like that. Groove Member is going to allow you to lock up and have a membership website within Groove, which is basically what I'm waiting for before I launch my next funnel, which is super exciting because it's going to allow me to upgrade my offer a little bit over the next week and then roll out that funnel. So stay tuned for what's coming very soon. I'm sure you're going to love it. And then Groove Mail, they're saying that they really want to model Active Campaign. Now, Active Campaign's been around for years. I'm sure they're not going to model that completely, but I think it's a really good vision that they have to try and model Active Campaign as much as possible for their Groove Mail software. So that means all of these, so Groove Video, Groove Member, and Groove Mail are going to fit together nicely with also Groove Sell, Groove Pages, and Groove Affiliate. And then you're going to have virtually, once you've got those three things working with the existing ones, you can pretty much start to use them within your business because it all starts to work together, right? So that's really exciting. That's coming in the next 10 days. But then they've also been working on Groove Pages. So like I said, Groove Pages is their funnel builder. It's virtually equivalent to ClickFunnels, if not better. They've done a major overhaul. They've improved the font drop downs. They've fixed all of these things down here, which is really exciting because there were a few slight little bugs that needed to be fixed. And I think, just reading through some of those right now is going to fix most of them. Like I said, there's probably one thing, which is centering certain elements, which they make a little bit hard at the moment, but I believe that is in the roadmap over the next couple of months or so. Also, over the next 60 days, this is what I'm so excited for these particular ones, because this is what's going to transform everything. This one is going to blow your mind. So import any URL in the world into the editor. So if you've got an existing website, funnel, if there's websites or funnels that you do like, you grab that URL, you paste that into their editor, and it will import everything into the elements of your Groove Pages account, and you can just change all of the branding and you're good to go. So good, right? Share pages. This is what I'm excited for our members. So over the last few weeks, we've been building one funnel per week. However, we just can't share them yet because it's a little bit hard to share them. So every single page and every single funnel that we've been building over the next 60 days, our members will be able to start importing directly into their accounts and to start using as their own and changing up their branding so that they can start building out some amazing funnels as well. We're building out funnels based on what I've done over the last 5 years to generate over $5 million through multiple different funnels like virtual summits, live event funnels, application funnels, webinar funnels, ebook funnels, bridge page funnels. They're all the ones that I've personally used. Plus, we're going to be redesigning what the biggest marketers in the world have been using over the years to generate many millions of dollars, so that people can get easy access to them without hiring a designer and paying thousands of dollars. So if you want to save thousands of dollars a month, then sign up through my affiliate link and you'll get all of this stuff for free. Funnel management, that was something that I mentioned, I think last week in a video last week or the week before, that they needed to be able to, a better way to manage that. So I'm excited to see that. Website block funnel pop-up templates. Pop-up templates will be super handy. So that's super cool. On Canvas, drag handles for easy layout and editing. That's another, actually, so that's two things that fixed that I've been talking about. So that's coming in the next 60 days. There we go. Everything that I've talked about will be fixed within the next 60 days. Super excited for that. All of this stuff, super cool. Analytics, great to see. And then later this year, split testing, user roles, agency model, all good stuff. Groove Sell in the next 60 days or less. Affiliate marketplace, Groove Sell payments, social proof widget, going to be super cool. Custom domains, PayPal, commerce, coupons, partner contracts, sub affiliates. That's one that people have been worried about. So I signed up through a person who has been trying to see how many sales that I've been making, but they haven't been able to see that. So that's going to fix that. Groove Sell payments. all of that type of stuff. Order bumps in August. So I guess I will be launching my next funnel in August because I need an order bump. So super excited to see that happen as well. And then later in the year, you've got all of your integrations done by Zapier. So these ones are the ones that are done so far. Third-party rollouts, third-party email, all of this type of stuff. And then because they've hired all of their new designers, by December, they're going to start rolling out Groove Blog, Groove Desk, Groove Survey, and then Groove Webinars Live, Groove Webinars Automated, Groove Webinar Live Stream, Groove Cart Updates, and the mobile app. So basically right now you can get all of this for a one-time payment. As you can see, if you were to have all of these things, so a help desk, survey software, calendar software, webinar software, plus Groove Pages, plus like a funnel builder, plus what else, hosting, video hosting, plus emails, you're paying at least $1,000 a month. At least $1,000 a month for all of that type of stuff. But right now you can get all of that for one payment, pretty much just over, a little bit over $1,000, or you can pay it off about for $1,500, 3 payments of $497, or one payment of $1,397. Right now it's about to go up to $1,897, so even at $1,897 it's still going to be an amazing offer. But you can check out my deal down below, where you not only get all of this stuff for one payment, but you get $37,000 worth of bonuses at the same time, and get access to one of the best tools that is going to be on the marketplace in 2021. And when you do log in and get your free account, this is what it's going to look like. So you have access to all of your main tools here in this top tab. Like I said, I've already done reviews and tutorials for Groove Pages, Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, and I'll have more of these coming out later in the month once they're ready. Then you get access to all of these as well, which is in here. You've got e-commerce stuff as well, so you can get a cart for e-commerce. Then later in the year be your marketplace for affiliates and Groove Marketplace. Then they're going to have apps and other connections that will connect in, which will bolster the entire GrooveFunnels product itself. And then the other things that they're really consistent at, and they're doing them every single week, is education. So education is super important. So between the bonuses that I give you, which you can use as your own, plus the live webinars that they do in here each week, and within the digital academy, so they've already got some trainings in here. Plus they've got some in the actual Facebook group as well. So there are people within this group that are always doing training. So they've already got 14 units mapped out down here, which is giving you a bit of an idea of how you can use the product and how you can promote it as an affiliate. Plus they've also always got different people putting in trainings in here as well. I saw one get posted earlier. I mean, there's so much happening in this group that it's a little bit hard to find stuff at the moment, but you know, there was a training in here this morning by someone talking about how you can actually make money as an affiliate. So if you're just getting started, this is probably one of the best offers, because it's highly converting, because the offer is so good right now. So if you want to get started as an affiliate marketer, then purchase through my link, use my bonuses, check out the trainings in here, and start making some money as well. So that's really the truth about GrooveFunnels. And the truth, from my opinion, is in 2021, it's going to be a leader in the marketplace. There's going to be tens of thousands of people moving across to this, because it's going to blow everything else out of the water. And at the very least, just get your free account, trial it yourself, and just see what you think, because ultimately at the end of the day, it's up to you. I don't want to coerce you into getting this. If it doesn't feel right for you, just go out there and trial it. I think once you trial it, you'll probably feel the same way as I have as well. But if you don't like it, then you've got your free account, and maybe you can come back to it in a year, 2 years, 3 years, and maybe it'll be better for you then. And if it's not, then no harm done, except for a little bit of time as well. So that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to tell you in this one, because I think that gives you a really good high level overview of everything. Like I said, I've got a bunch more videos that talk about the affiliate program, how you can make 40% recurring commission, plus 10% on your second level. Groove Pages review, GrooveFunnels review, Groove Sell review, plus everything that's to come as well. So go check out those on my channel right now, and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.